A man bought a watch for 1200 and sold it for 1500. Find his profit percentage. A 20%, B 25%, C 30%, D 35%. So he bought it for 1200 and sold it for 1500. 1500 minus 1200 will give us the profit, that is 300. So 100% is equal to 1200, then what percentage is equal to 300? So by calculating it we get 25%. So B is the answer.